All right, let's take a look at what's going on in terms of temperatures for today. It's 52 degrees right now in Owings Mills. Pasadena is at 57. Mount Airy coming in at 57 degrees right now as well. And then in Bel Air, the temperature there is at 52 degrees. So yes, it feels cool out there. It feels pretty good, nice and refreshing. That's not going to last long though, because as we go throughout the day, we're going to start to feel a little bit of change in the forecast, meaning the humidity is going to increase a bit more by tomorrow. And we're also going to have those temperatures soar as we go throughout the day as well. And it's going to be warmer tomorrow as well. Some of you are going to say it's hot. Now, Bel Air, this is what it looks like right now. Beautiful start to the day as we do have plenty of sunshine out there. We do plenty of blue sky with a few clouds mixing in. But all in all, it is going to be a lovely day on tap. Get out there and enjoy it. If you had the day off today, oh, definitely. You got the lottery draw, that's for sure. Satellite and radar, not picking up a whole lot. Here are some of those clouds that are moving into the area, but all in all, most of the activity is back off towards the west as of now, and then we can see some thunderstorm activity, possibly some severe weather going to be moving in to the neck of the woods rather. And to be more specific, we're talking around Oklahoma and also Kansas, and even this will start to dive down into Arkansas as we continue through the morning and the afternoon hours. Now, at the surface, this is what we're dealing with for today. We're still under the influence of high pressure, and that's why we're going to stay on the sunny side of things. But then as we look back off towards the west, that's where that cold front is. That's what's going to continue to work its way in here, and that's going to be giving us the chance for some showers and some storms as we head towards tomorrow and the day after that. So let's talk about the hurricane season that began yesterday. We're talking about the National Hurricane Center that has forecasted about 8 to 13 storms, 3 to 6 hurricanes, and 1 to 2 major hurricanes. So we're talking about a Category 3 or above that as a major hurricane. Here are those names, and the first one would be Arthur, and the last one would be Wilfred, and we're hoping that we don't see any of those storms as we continue through this season. Now, ABC2's most accurate future trend, picking up on not a whole lot of action for today, but our next chance for some scattered showers and storms will roll in here for tomorrow. We'll do it over again as we head towards Wednesday, and keeping the chance for the showers and storms in as we go through the rest of the week. 72 degrees by mid-morning, 77 degrees will be that temperature by lunchtime. And here's that 7-day forecast. As you can see, we will heat things up. 87 degrees by Wednesday, and then we will be seeing plenty of sunshine in the forecast as of now, back for the weekend. Don't forget to tweet me at Lynette from ABC2.